Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to dive into transferring files from Mega to our Google Drive. Okay, so these are both cloud platforms, and if you want to transfer large amounts of files without having to download it and re-upload it, we're going to get into it right away. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to look for Malt-Cloud, right? So Malt-Cloud is a platform where you can bridge different types of cloud bases together. So the first thing we want to go ahead and do is log in. You can create an account for free, and on the left hand side you have your menu, and you want to look for the My Online Services and tap on the Add Cloud. Now you'll have to do this exact same process for Google Drive as well as Mega so that you can have all of your accounts in one place. All you need to do is jump into perhaps Google Drive. Let's do Google Drive first, and you're going to choose the account that you would like to jump in with. You're going to go ahead, tap on continue, and over here you're going to tap on allow. We just want to have access to our Google Drive account. And once that's done, it'll reload and you will see that Google Drive is down here. Now if you tap on Add Cloud again, you're going to go over to Mega and you're going to go ahead and enter the exact same details. So display name Mega, email address, you're going to go ahead and put that in, and once you're done you're going to go ahead and also put in your password, and you're going to tap on Add Mega, and it is now connecting. Alright, so let's just say save, and we can say right over here on the left hand side we have Google Drive and we have Mega. Now this is pretty simple. Okay, we have a file in Mega. It's the welcome to Mega PDF, and what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and select it. Once you tap on that little icon on the left hand side and you've ticked it, you can go ahead and tap on copy to. Now once you tap on that, you will be able to have access to all of the drives that you've uploaded on the left hand side. And we're going to tap on Google Drive, and once you tap on Google Drive you're going to tap on OK in the bottom, and you will now see on the bottom right hand side it says progress, and it'll give you a progress report. You can also tap on detailed and it'll give you all of the details over here. However, within a few seconds or minutes depending on your file size, this will have been pushed over to your Google Drive account, and this is a great way of transferring large files. You can literally just select them, copy them over, and then leave it overnight, to transfer. And then what you can do is jump over back into your Mega account. You can even go to mega.com, and then you can actually see your files over there, and you can remove them if you would like to remove them from here, because now they're on your Google Drive account. Now if this was a helpful guide, you can go ahead and drop us a like. We've got tons of awesome content. Go ahead and explore our channel. You never know what you may find. We'll see you over there, folks. Peace out.